Hello students, today we will study an important topic in mathematics called simple interest and compound interest. Whenever money is borrowed from a person or from a bank, an extra amount of money is paid for using that money for a certain period of time. This extra money is called interest. Interest is commonly used in banks, loans, investments, and savings accounts. Understanding interest helps us understand how money grows over time. Interest is the extra money paid or received when money is borrowed or invested. For example, suppose a person borrows 1,000 rupees from a bank. After 1 year, the person pays back 1,100 rupees. The extra 100 rupees paid is called interest. This interest is the cost of using someone else's money. There are mainly two types of interest. The first type is simple interest. The second type is compound interest. Simple interest is calculated only on the original amount of money. Compound interest is calculated on the principal and also on the interest added in previous years. Simple interest is the interest calculated only on the original sum of money borrowed or invested. The original amount of money is called the principal. In simple interest, the interest remains the same every year because it is always calculated on the principal amount. In simple interest problems, we use the following terms. P represents principal. R represents rate of interest. T represents time. SI represents simple interest. A represents amount. These terms help us understand the formulas used in interest calculations. The formula for calculating simple interest is C is equal to P times R times T, 100. Here, P represents the principal amount, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time period. This formula helps determine the interest earned or paid on a principal over a specified time at a given interest rate. The formula for simple interest is simple interest equals principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. In short form, we say SI equals P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. To calculate the simple interest, use the formula C is equal to P times R times T, 100. Here, with a principal of 1500, a rate of 8%, and a time period of 2 years, the simple interest is 1500 times 8 times 2, 100, resulting in 240. Let us solve an example. Find the simple interest on 2000 rupees at 5% per year for 3 years. Year principal equals 2000, rate equals 5% per year, time equals 3 years, simple interest equals principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. Simple interest equals 2000 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. Simple interest equals 300 rupees. To find the principal amount, use the formula P is equal to C times 100 R times T. For example, with a simple interest of 200, a rate of 10, and a time period of 2 years, the principal P is calculated as 200 times 100, 10 times 2, resulting in a principal of 1000. Sometimes we need to find the principal. The formula is principal equals simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by rate multiplied by time. Example: simple interest for 2 years at 10% per year is 200 rupees. Principal equals 200 multiplied by 100 divided by 10 multiplied by 2. Principal equals 1000 rupees. The formula for rate is rate equals simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by principal multiplied by time. Example: the simple interest on 1000 rupees for 2 years is 200 rupees. Rate equals 200 multiplied by 100 divided by 1000 multiplied by 2. Rate equals 10% per year. The formula for time is time equals simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by principal multiplied by rate. example, the simple interest on 1,500 rupees at 10% per year is 450 rupees. Time equals 450 multiplied by 100 divided by 1,500 multiplied by 10. Time equals 3 years. Find the simple interest on 3,000 rupees at 6% per year for 4 years. Simple interest equals 3,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 divided by 100. Simple interest equals 720 rupees. Now let us understand compound interest. Compound interest is calculated not only on the principal but also on the interest added in previous years. This means interest is calculated on the principal plus previous interest. Because of this, compound interest grows faster than simple interest. The formula for amount in compound interest is amount equals principal multiplied by open bracket 1 plus rate divided by 100 close bracket raised to the power 10. Compound interest equals amount minus principal. Find the compound interest on 2,000 rupees at 10% per year for 2 years. Amount equals 2,000 multiplied by open bracket 1 plus 10 divided by 100 close bracket raised to the power 2. Amount equals 2,000 multiplied by 1.1 raised to the power 2. Amount equals 2,000 multiplied by 1.21. Amount equals 2,420 rupees. Compound interest equals amount minus principal. Compound interest equals 2,420 minus 2,000. Compound interest equals 420 rupees. Students, today we learned about simple interest and compound interest. We understood the meaning of interest, principal, rate, and time. We also learned the formulas for simple interest and compound interest and solved numerical examples. With regular practice, you will be able to solve interest problems quickly and accurately. Jai Hind!